Case Research on Lexis Plus for the Advanced Legal Research course at Boston College Law School. One nice thing about legal research is that everything you find can lead you to other relevant authority. This video will show 3 ways Lexis can help find additional relevant cases: Lexis Headnotes, the Lexis Issue Trail, and Ravel Law. To illustrate these features, we will start with the case Silver v. Pueblo del Sol Water Company, 244 Arizona 553, 2018. Lexis provides parallel citations to a number of print and online versions of this case, so you can direct anyone to this case even if they don't have access to Lexis. Following the full name of the case are some editorial enhancements added by Lexis: the prior history, the disposition, a case summary made up of an overview and the outcome, and the Lexis Headnotes. The Headnotes contain the language of the case that the editors at Lexis selected for the points of law they discuss. Readers can scan the Headnotes and then jump to that actual discussion in the case by clicking on the little arrow down next to the Headnote number. Lexis editors recommend a top secondary source relevant to the point of law in this Headnote. Headnotes can also be used to find additional cases selected by the editors to illustrate that same point of law. Clicking on a Headnote index term gets us the choice of going directly to additional documents discussing this point of law, creating an alert, and viewing that term in the topic index. The topical index shows this term in context and may also alert the researcher to additional relevant related topics. If you don't already have a case on point, you can get into the topical index from the Lexis homepage by choosing Topics under the Explore menu. Expand the outline to find the topic you're interested in. Click on a term to go to cases that contain one or more headnotes on this topic. You can now narrow this result set using any of the filters on the left, including a search within results set. Going back to the case we started with, what if the most relevant portion of this case does not have a headnote associated with it? Lexis will still take you to additional relevant cases. At the bottom of the About This Document box is the Legal Issue Trail. To use the trail, you must first select Activate Passages. Once passages have been activated, click within a passage to view the Legal Issue Trail. The Legal Issue Trail constructs a search using the actual language of the case that takes you to a list of citations. The list begins with the cases cited for this issue by the case we began with, followed by a list of cases citing the case we began with. This can lead you to additional cases that may be relevant for your research. The third tool for case law research on Lexis is Ravel Law, which provides a visual representation of the top 75 cases in your search result to help identify the most influential cases. To access Ravel View, click on the Ravel View graphic icon in the upper right of the case results list. Each circle represents one of the top 75 cases from your search results. The lines connecting cases indicate a citing relationship between the cases in your results list. The overall view shows how case results are connected in 4 ways. How often has each case been cited? That is, how seminal each case may be. The larger the circle, the more the case has been cited. Chronologically, the horizontal axis shows when the cases were decided from oldest to newest. By jurisdiction, the vertical axis shows the highest federal court at the top, then lower federal courts, followed by state courts. Search relevance. The higher the circle within the court level, the more relevant it is to your search results. Clicking on a case circle reveals the case name and site and highlights the case and case connections from your top 75 search results in Shepard's treatment colors. To return to the full view of all available case connections, click anywhere in the view background. You can use the Lexis Plus filtering options to limit your display to specific jurisdictions, specific time frames, and also use the Search Within Results filter to improve the precision of your search.